Last month, Mitsubishi Electric set a new Guinness World Record. The young team outfitted a robot with high-speed, high-precision factory automation equipment and control technology, and made it the fastest robot to ever solve a puzzle cube, more commonly referred to as a Rubik's Cube. If you want to see it, don't blink. It kind of sounds like an electric shock. You know, a scary buzzing. The video of the achievement was recorded on May 7th, 2024, and once the video slows down by a factor of 42, you really gain a better understanding of the achievement. The precision is notable because, as many observers have noted, it's impressive that the robot can rotate the cube's layers so fast without shattering the toy. The robot solved the puzzle in less than a second, 0.305 seconds exactly, besting the previous record by nearly 0.08 of a second. Mitsubishi also owned the previous record of 0.38 seconds. The Tokui Fast Accurate Synchronized Motion Testing Robot, or Toku FastBot, which was named by its engineer, can execute a 90-degree rotation in 9 thousandths of a second. The team built the rotation mechanism using Mitsubishi Electric's compact, high-power, signal-responsive servo motors and a color recognition algorithm developed with proprietary AI technology. Furthermore, the servo motors, programmable controller, industrial PC, touch panel display, and cameras were each designed to achieve high-speed signal connection and inter-device control. The company has been developing and manufacturing high-tech motors, power semiconductors, and related products since it established its Component Production Engineering Center back in 2016. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.